Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about Python programming. It's a fundamental introduction class. So, what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language. You already know that what is the high-level language. So, basically, it is a comfortable language for the programmers who will written in English, high-level English programming language. So, very convenient for the programmer, and it can be converted to the low-level language. So for that we can use interpreters or we can use compilers. So anything we can use to convert your high level language to the low level language. So basically Python is a interpreter. What kind of language? Python is a interpreter language. So that means a program that can analyze, execute line by line. So what is the difference between compiling language and interpreter language is if you convert entire code into the object code, that is called as the compilation, and if you go line by line, it is called as the interpretation. So basically the Python programming language was created by a scientist called as Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. So basically you can ask me where we can use Python. Python can be used at the web development, or we can also use it software development, in mathematics, and also system scripting. Like that, many of the areas we can use this particular Python programming language. So what Python, you can ask me, what, by using Python what we can do. So the Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Like what are the previous programming language we're using, like CGA, JSP, Servlets, ASP, like that we can create the web applications by using the Python programming language. And also Python can be alongside software to create the workflows also. So for example, a software company is there, they want to develop the software with many programmers. For them, they need to create a workflow. So this kind of workflow can be also effectively planned by using a Python programming language. And Python can connect to the database systems. It can also read and modify the files. So by using Python programming language, we can connect to any database like MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, IBM DB2, MongoDB, like that. Any kind of database you can connect very easily, and we can perform the database operations. So we can develop, we can perform either OLTP operation, that is online transaction processing, or we can perform online analytical processing. So this kind of any kind of operation, and also we can modify your binary files or your any kind of file is there. The files can be easily modified by using Python programming language. So, and Python can also use it for to handle big data. So nowadays everyone are talking about big data. What is big data? The huge volume of data is called as the big data, and also different dimensions. So they're calling it as three V's. What is three V's? Are there volume, veracity, variety. So these are the three V's. So that kind of large amount of data we can very easily handle by using the Python programming language, and also we can perform the complex mathematics, that is linear regression and also multilinear regression, like that different probability hypothesis test. So like that, so many complication mathematical mode analysis we can easily perform by using Python programming language. And also, Python can also use it for rapid prototyping for production of ready software development. So we can easily develop. So any some kind of model, a software model, we can easily build by using the Python programming language. So this is the main advantages of the Python programming. Why, we can ask me, sir, why there are many programming languages are there? Why we have to use only Python programming language? Why? Because Python works on different platforms. It may be Windows, or it may be your iOS like Mac, or it may be Linux operating system, or your Raspberry Pi, on different platforms where we can use the Python programming language. And also Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. The syntax is very simple, and also, Python has syntax that allows the developers to write the programs with fewer lines compared to the other. So, for example, if you write a program in C programming language, if you take 10 lines of code, the same code we can done within 2 lines in the Python programming language. That is the main advantage of the Python programming language. And next one, Python runs on interpreter system, meaning that the code can be executed as soon as it is written. So here the Python is interpreter language, line by line compilations go on. So that's why it is very fast execution, and also the prototyping can be very quick. So up to, for example, you not to wait for the until the complete package where you can test your 30-20 lines of code. What is the particular progression also. So Python can be treated as a procedure. So we know, already know that C is a procedure language, Java is object oriented, and other programming languages are different functional programming. So like this, Python can be treated in according to your way. You can treat it in a procedural way, you can treat it in object oriented. So any kind of the programming model we can develop by using the Python. So these are the many benefits of the Python. That's why we need to use Python programming language. So if you compare the Python syntax with other programming, what are the differences? Python is designed for readability and has some similarity to the English language with influence from mathematics. So the the whatever the programming syntax we can use in Python, it's look like very simple and also readable. Next, so Python uses the new lines to complete the command, and here you don't need to mention any semicolon for the end of the statement, or you cannot mention any parentheses. So like that, the many benefits are there compared with the other programming language. So and also Python here uses a new thing concept called as an indentation, that is using a white space to define the scope. So while programs are coming up, I will specifically discuss what is meant by so what is indentation is, for example, if you have a page, if you leave some space that is left indent, after that you write something. So we maintain the borders at left and right while writing exam also. That is nothing but indentation. So like that, indentation can be maintained in the Python programming language. So other programming languages often use the curly brackets for this purpose. For example, for loop, if you want to open a for loop, you are open a brace, again you close the brace. But here we don't need to use any kind of braces. That is the main advantage of the Python programming language. So for example, now first we discuss what is compilation. So simply what is compilation is, you have written a some simple C program. The entire code need to be converted into object code. Then that object code went for the execution. So this is what happens in the compilation process. But if you take interpretation, what is going to happen is every line is going to be executed. See this. First you written print, that is executed. So like this, every statement will be executed. So this is nothing but line by line line by line execution is called as the interpretation. So now we are going to discuss how to install the Python programming language. So how we can install the Python programming language? First you need to visit this website python.org. So this is the main website which is responsible for the development of your Python programming language. So whatever the package with whatever the developments which are coming up, so those all developments can be maintained in this particular website, and new versions are coming in the market. So and then go to the section called as downloads. Then from here download the latest version, that is now current version available by Python 3.85. And after that the software will be downloaded in your download section. Once it is downloaded, just click on, then it's asked to install, then installation will start. Click on install now. After that, install for all, you can choose either install just for me, or you can choose for install for all users. If any user other than administrator, who are the guest users, anyone they want to use your Python programming language, just select install for all. Just if you want to use Python only, then go for install just for me. Then after that, then click on next. So your setup probe automatically started. So now in your start, the Python will be available. If you type Python, it will show like this. Now I will show you. So if you click on that particular and open. Now in my system, I will open it and I will show you how that particular thing will be done. So if you type it will the Python command app will be open. Just click on run as administrator. So now this is open, and if the font is not suitable for you, then click on properties, then choose appropriate font for your so 1 minute it's some is improved. Now just first of all the famous command hello world, if you want to do that in your Python, simply specify print of hello world and close the brace. No semicolon is there, just so hello world is printed. So this is how we can type at the command prompt we can type. And also this is an interpreter for that just you go with 2 plus 2, it gives 4, and 2 plus 3 5,